welcome to the Nexus. Today we're going to be doing issue 47 of our Optimus Prime build. Let's get going. Okay, so obviously I've got the next pack. We're going to be doing the next two issues are definitely going to be single issues, and then the next couple are probably bunched together. I also received my keyring, which is really nice. So that's actually going to fit onto my Optimus Prime bag that I have. Okay, so for issue 47, we're going to need the shoulder that we built up. So I've grabbed that, and we're also going to need some glue as well. So I picked up some glue. So let's get going. Okay, so here's all the pieces that we have. Let's put that knife away because I just got that out. Just like that. We've done the left side. This is the right side that we're doing now. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is grab this part. Like that. And we're going to stand it up so it's like that. Then we're going to grab this side. And we are going to drop it down like so. So it's just going to sit just like halfway down. So you've got a small side and a big side, and then we've got this little cutout section just here. And that needs to be sort of that side, so where the little and the bigger sections are. There's that little cutout section. So we need that there. Next, what we're going to do is open this one. And we're going to grab our cog. So this section here is going to go downwards. So we've got the groove section there and the groove section in there, and that's just going to sit on that. So then we're going to grab this section, which we need to glue, and then that is going to sit just over like that. So first thing we're going to do is grab our glue, and I'm just going to put a little double glue just here on both sides. And that should hold that nicely. Okay, so we now have this section. So we're going to put our spring on here like so. And then this part is going on like that. And we're going to use a PM screw. So firstly, what I'm going to do is grab a PM screw and the washer. So I'm going to grab a PM screw and the washer. Making sure you keep one of the washers in the bag, safekeeping. I'm going to put that on there, and then we're going to line this up, put that on there, and screw that up. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so we've done that. Make sure you push it down. There is a way it goes in. It requires just to lock it in, and then obviously just going to screw it up, and then with a little bit of pressure should be able to move it. Next is this fin section here, and we are going to use an SP screw to do that. So I'm just going to get one of them out. Once again, we're not going to, there's not too much to do. So we have a sort of a guide pin section on there, which is going to sit on here. So that's going to sit just like so onto that pin section. So you can't sort of, it can't be done a different way. It can only go on one way. So it means no mistakes, which is brilliant. So that bit sits like that. And then the next bit we're going to glue up. So I'm just going to dab a bit of glue into this recess here. And into that recess. That side. And then this is going to sit just like that. So that is the end of so that was pretty straightforward, I've got to say. But yeah, that brings us to the end. So we've now fitted the arm joint in and a few bit of the decals on there with this section just here, and obviously this section. So the only other thing now is to place this on Optimus Prime, which I think we're doing on the next issue. But there it is. So it's all nice and done. And there we go. That's the end of issue 47. So, yep. We're now we've now finished the sort of shoulder arm section just here. So this is now just ready to go on to his chest, which we're going to do in the next issue. But as always, thanks guys for watching. Make sure you click like, subscribe, and we will see you at the next video. Take it easy.